Hello and welcome to Hemisphere Cars. Today we're going to replace the mass airflow sensor on my 1994 C4 Corvette. Here you can see the other side. And one of the clamps I'll probably remove while I'm working on it. Here's one of the other clips for the connector that has to be removed. And then here are my usual assortment of tools and whatnot. Cleaning products. There's the new mass airflow sensor. And here are the clamps, the new clamps that doesn't require a crimper. And it doesn't require $80 worth of factory clamps. Now, if you were going to do the factory clamps, you may be able to use the old ones, and this is a crimper. Probably cost you, I'm not sure, around $40. I'll see if I can put a link into it. It has some dielectric silicone compound that I'll be using for my cleaning tools and lights if I need to see something. Alright, so shouldn't take very long. It's not a big project, but I want to see how it goes and let you see the procedure. Thanks for watching. Okay, let's see what it takes to get this connector off. Let's pull that back. Well, that was very simple. All right, put that out of the way. Let's go to the other side. Here's the other connector. Connected to the tube. Just get that out of the way again so it doesn't get torn or broken while I'm working on this project. So I'm going to take a screwdriver, pretty good size screwdriver, and see if I can loosen these clamps without breaking it. And I think I got that one loose enough for it to come off. Not bad. Here's another one. I don't know why that other one was down there. Okay. It's pretty loose. All right. There's a screw. Take that off. Plenty loose. Now I'll go to the other side. Right there's the screw clamping on the tubing, the air tubing. Okay, that should be enough. I'm going to put this on the tripod and remove it. Alright. Nope, came off easy enough. And there it is. So, let's see the different angles of everything. And see if this would, wow, that was so easy. And there we go. That's what the inside looks like. Alright, I'm actually going to give it a try with reclamping it since it went in so easily. But I am going to have a link to the other clamps in case you don't want to spend the money for that tool if it works. Let's see. I'm going to put a little dielectric grease on the contacts, these connectors. Okay. Just a little bit easier to clamp in there. Okay. Well, one thing I just noticed is this is damaged, so I'll have to go buy another one so there isn't an air leak. Seems nice and tight there. Okay. Okay, here's the new unit, and you have to remove these caps. And if you can see this, it actually tells you this side towards air cleaner. So you're not going to put it on that way because it's telling you the right way to put it on. Nice little tip for those of us that don't do this every day, like I don't. Okay. And you can see there's a notch there, and this fits right in there. And there's another notch on this one. So stuff goes exactly on like that. All right. I'm going to get the clamping tool. Okay, let's try this now. Oh, okay. Seemed to work pretty well. Get on there. Let's move it a little bit there. It's already tight. Okay. That is on there nice and snug. Not going anywhere. All right. See how this goes. Doing it in the reverse order, of course. That one's on. Well, this may explain why sometimes it doesn't store out as quickly as it should. That air leak. Okay, so you can see the gap there. There's a little space, nothing's rubbing. Everything seems to be on there fairly well. Let's go around the other side. Okay, there's the other side. You can see this clamp is in there, nice and secured. This is tight. Everything seems fine. So now let's see if it starts up and runs properly. Okay, let's give it a try. Started right up without any problems. Oh yeah, sounds good. And this old mass air center doesn't have any screen in it to protect it from debris or whatever, like the newer one does. Okay, and it's seems to be made out of a hard plastic rather than the aluminum. So I don't know what they cost when they bought this, but the newer ones are not expensive. Mine was only like $45, if that, and works just fine and looks much more like the original one. Okay, let's see if we can do a little 20-mile-an-hour pull.